पेरिस ओलंपिक्स 2024 में भारत को बैडमिंटन से पदकों की काफ़ी उम्मीद थी, लेकिन पेरिस ओलंपिक्स में भारतीय बैडमिंटन खिलाड़ियों की तरफ से भारत को एक भी मेडल नहीं मिला और अब उनके प्रदर्शन को लेकर पूर्व दिग्गज बैडमिंटन खिलाड़ी और मेंटोर प्रकाश पादुकोण काफ़ी निराश और नाराज दिखे हैं। कल लक्ष्य सेन के ब्रॉन्ज मेडल मैच के बाद जिसमें उन्हें हार का सामना करना पड़ा, उसके बाद प्रकाश पादुकोण ने मीडिया से बातचीत में कहा, लक्ष्य ने अच्छा खेला, मैं थोड़ा निराश हूं क्योंकि वो इसे खत्म नहीं कर सके। एक्सेल्सन के खिलाफ भी वो पहले गेम में जीत की स्थिति में थे, लेकिन वो इसे जीत नहीं सके। उन्होंने आगे कहा, आज भी पहला गेम जीतने के बाद वो दूसरे गेम में 8-3 से आगे थे। वो हमेशा तेज खेलने वाले खिलाड़ियों के सामने थोड़ा असहज हो जाते हैं। उन्हें इस पर थोड़ा और काम करने की जरूरत है। दोनों मैचों के दौरान उनका आत्मविश्वास कम था। मुझे निराशा है कि हम बैडमिंटन में एक भी पदक नहीं जीत सके। बता दें कि लक्ष्य सेन भी पदक नहीं जीत पाए, पीवी सिंधु भी पदक जीतने में कामयाब नहीं रह सकी। वहीं चिराग और सात्विक की जोड़ी को भी देखें तो जिनसे पदक की बहुत ज्यादा उम्मीद थी, वो भी पदक जीतने में कामयाब नहीं हुए। सुनिए प्रकाश पादुकोण ने अपने बयान में क्या कहा।
Well, I think he played well, but of course I'm a little disappointed. He couldn't finish it. Yesterday also he was in a winning position in the first game. It would have probably made a difference yesterday itself. Today also I think after winning the first, he was leading 8-3 in the second. So he's always been a little uncomfortable playing on the faster side, from the faster side, or playing with the wind. So I think he needs to work a little more on that, because even if you've seen his earlier performances, a lot of the times he's played 3 games, and most of the times when he has lost, even against players where he can beat in 2, it's when he's playing with the wind, he's very tentative, he's not very confident. I think that is one area where we need to work. I think that's what happened. He was in the first game, he was very comfortable because he was playing against the wind or on the slower side, and generally Indians are comfortable playing from the slower side. There was quite a bit of drift today, and so when he moved on the other side, he started well, but somewhere I think it is still playing on his mind. And then when he gave away a few points, 2-3 points, when it became 8-6, 8-7, I think suddenly he lost confidence, and I think after that it was I think he got the confidence, the opponent, because otherwise he was not he was not his normal self, because he was low on confidence. I think when he made it 8-all, that I think there was a change in body language. So if he had probably taken 2-3 more points at that stage, if Lakshya had taken changed, or at 11-3 or 11-4, maybe it could have made a difference. I mean, not that he's sometimes lost from similar position in the past, but not against maybe only against very highly ranked players like Victor or anybody.
So was there his injury that was?
No, I don't think so. No. I think that's his. There's no injury at all. That's his way of. He keeps falling down. So this bleeding is always there a little bit. We've tried to. It's become a habit with him now. To dive and go for the shots. Few areas definitely we need to work on. There's no doubt about that. While we are happy with his performance, I'm a little disappointed that we couldn't get even one medal from badminton. We have, like I said earlier, I think we were contenders. I won't say definite medalists, but we were contenders for three medals. So at least one I would have been happy. Of course, I'm personally disappointed. But having said that, I think this time, the government, the SAI, the foundations, TOPS, everybody has done their bit. So, I have nothing against. I don't think anybody could have done anything more than, what the government has done, the sports ministry, SAI, TOPS, and all the OGQ. And so I think it's high time the players also need to take some responsibility, because all these years we could say that, there were not enough, facilities or encouragement. but I think this time it's only getting better.
उन्होंने आगे कहा, इस बार सरकार, साई और टॉप सभी ने अपना काम किया है। मुझे लगता है कि अब समय आ गया है कि खिलाड़ियों को भी कोच जिम्मेदारी लेनी चाहिए। अब प्रकाश पादुकोण के इस बयान पर आपका क्या कहना है, हमें कमेंट्स में जरूर बताएं। और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो इसे लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा और स्पोर्ट्स और ओलंपिक्स से जुड़ी तमाम अपडेट्स और खबरों को जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करिएगा हमारे चैनल स्पोर्ट्स लाइव ABP लाइव को।
For exclusive and insightful videos, subscribe to our new channel ABP Live Premium.